this is Brandon here with Tameron Hyundai. Thanks for your recent inquiry on the 2018 Hyundai Tucson. As you see, I've got one right here behind me on the showroom floor. So let's take a look at it. Right here, you've got LED wraparound headlights and daytime running lights. You've also got alloy wheels and blind spot detection available on your side view mirrors. Now let's take a look inside. On the inside of your Tucson, you've also got Bluetooth, backup camera, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. But that's not the best part. One of the best parts about this vehicle is going to be your warranty. You get a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty that we will double here exclusively for you to 20 years, 200,000 miles at no cost to yourself. So give me a call at 205-613-9458. You're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron.